In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a budget using a straightforward process. This might sound a bit daunting, but breaking it down into simple steps means you'll be up and running with your budget in no time. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we're going to create a new file to house all your budgeting details. Head over to the File menu and select New File. This will bring up a setup wizard that will guide you through the initial configuration. Here, you'll select your preferred currency. Make sure you pick the correct one to avoid any confusion down the line. You'll also want to select your default accounts. Typically, these include assets, expenses, and income. Once you've made your selections, remember to save your file. Think of this file as the digital home for all your financial planning. Now that the file is set up, it's time to bring some structure to your budgeting efforts by setting up budget categories. Navigate to Actions, select Budget, and from there, choose New Budget. You'll have the option to rename your budget file, which is a good idea to keep things organized. For instance, you could name it 2025 monthly budget, which clearly indicates what it's for and helps you keep everything neat and tidy. With the categories framework in place, the next step is to flesh out your budget by adding income and expense accounts. Still in the budget window, you'll begin by listing your income sources. This could include regular paychecks, any freelance work, or any other source of income you anticipate. Following that, move on to add your expense categories. These could be essential costs such as rent, food, utilities, and transportation. Be thorough here. The more categories you account for, the better prepared you'll be. After you've set up these categories, it's crucial to assign budget amounts to each one. For each income source and expense category, type in how much you expect to earn or plan to spend. This step is all about forecasting. It's your opportunity to lay out your financial goals and expectations. With your budget outlined, the next step involves diligent tracking of your actual spending. This requires recording your daily transactions within your accounts. This step is vital because it keeps your budget active and helps you stay in tune with your real-time financial situation. Finally, to understand how well you're sticking to your budget, you'll need to compare your planned expenses against what you actually spend. To do this, go to the Reports section, select Budget, and then choose Budget Report. This report will give you a clear overview of your planned spending versus your actual spending and will highlight areas where you are over or under budget. This step is invaluable for keeping your finances on track and making adjustments as needed. And there you have it, a practical guide to setting up and managing your budget. By following these steps, you'll be better prepared to make informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals.